Hi, this is kittyonnee and welcome to my YONNEEverse. Good morning! We are now on our way to Xiamen via Xiamen Air. Ito yung data SIM card na binili ko para pagdating ng China, may data pa rin kaming magagamit. Binili ko siya sa Travel SIM PH. Flights from Manila to Xiamen are operated once a week. The fastest direct flight from Manila to Xiamen takes about 2 hours and 35 minutes. The flight distance between Manila and Xiamen is 718 miles or 1,156 kilometers. In total, there are 3 airlines operating non-stop flights from Manila to Xiamen, namely Cebu Pacific, Philippine Airlines, and Xiamen Airlines. After immigration and getting our luggages from airport, we will go straight to Xiamen North Railway Station because we're going to Wuyishan. Nandito na kami sa Xiamen North Railway Station. Mamadali na kami para makabook na kami ng ticket namin. We're going to ride the train going to Wuyishan.
Doon tayo dun sa ano, Xiamen, Yonnee.
So while waiting for your schedule, marami siyang seats na pumunta ng mas maaga, mag-alat ng extra time. Kasi ayan no, daming tao, hindi naman natin alam kung kailan maraming tao o wala. Tara, hanap muna tayo ng makain. Vacation na, so yan, marami talagang bumabiyahe. Maraming umuwi sa probinsya nila. Pero tayo, kain muna tayo. Gutom na ako. Love, dali na. Pumili ka na ako. Ano gusto mo? Go, go, go! For boarding, prepare your passport and China visa. Get to the right train station at least 30 minutes in advance. Read your train ticket. Pass the security control. Pass through security and luggage checks. Find the right waiting room, cross the ticket checking gate, get to the right platform, and get on the train. Xiamen and Wuyishan are both located in Fujian province in the southeast part of China. These two places are two of the most popular tourist destinations of this region. While Xiamen introduces one kind of the best coastal sceneries in China, Wuyishan gives visitors more about stunning karst landscape. Riding a high-speed train from Xiamen to Wuyishan city takes about 3 to 4 hours. Every day, there are over 25 high-speed trains running between them. Those trains are available from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Most of the trains make departure from Xiamen North Railway Station and arrive at Nanping Railway Station. When you boarded the train, don't lose your ticket because there will be ticket inspectors checking your ticket from time to time. The inspector will check if your ticket is valid for the trip. Foreign tourists can book train ticket online or via a ticket agency or buy the tickets physically at the train station with your valid passport. Train ticket alteration and cancellation are only available at ticket counters. You can usually choose from first class seat, second class seat, or business class seat. All high-speed trains in China are equipped with advanced facilities and good service, including luggage racks, air conditioner, power socket, dining car, hot water, and many more. After arriving at Nanping Railway Station, we took a bus going to Wuyishan city proper. Wuyishan City is a county-level city in the municipal region of Nanping in the northwest of Fujian province. Wuyishan is full of cultural charm, natural beauty, and adventures of hiking and bamboo rafting experiences. Besides, it is a great chance to sample one of the best kinds of tea and admire one of the best real landscape shows in China.
Naglalakad na kami ngayon para hanapin ang aming hotel at nagkaroon pa ng aberya dahil nasira ang aking gulong ng luggage. Bakit ngayon? ka! Pero buti na rin, isa pa lang yung sumusuko. Nag-split na siya into two. Start pa lang ng ating travel. Day 1 pa lang. Mukhang magpapaiwan na tong luggage ko dito sa China. American tourister. Bakit? Nandito na kami. So, magche-check-in na kami. And then, kakain kami. And then, tutulog na. See you tomorrow!
Ayun na, ayoko na.